Okay. Good day. Good day, everybody. Today's a really good day. Started out with a losing trade, ended up winning on the day. I am green. And probably could have held longer if I wanted to. We're gonna take a look at what is going on, what I did for the day, yada yada. So right here, let's start out with, of course, what I was looking at for the day. Okay, big breakout yesterday. Trading range evolved, and we got this pullback. It's about 50% of this entire move here. Was looking for a reversal for the day, but we got a breakdown in the morning. I looked at shorting down here, expecting maybe we'd get a little further, but we didn't. And so I was quick to get out of that, and just quick to get out of that and look for a reversal up. These are my trades. So you can see in the morning we had ranging activity. I was hoping that we'd reverse up to about 66% of this whole retracement up. So yeah, I might get long again. If I do, I'll do it on a simulated account, not my live account, because I don't want to overtrade. Right now, I kind of feel like emotional, like a little greedy. So I kept my profits. So yeah, break down to the downside. We got this channel on Globex. Trading range. I was listening to the webinar. Al Brooks was talking, and I love him. He's so good. Just especially because everything I'm learning from this course is him. Not gonna lie, it is soothing to hear him talk. So bar 5 saw that there's nice buying pressure. We have wicks here. It looks like we're starting to form some sort of relative bottom. I think past me would get long here, but that's pretty dumb. This is the first bull bar in this downtrend. You want to wait for confirmation, right? So 1, 2 up here, still not good enough. Like, we still want to see a close above these candles, is what he was saying. And I wouldn't have known that. And I could have gotten long here or here or here. So really, like, I think too, like, I think it's really important that in the morning I don't trade any of the open, and I just wait, especially when I see a trading range evolving. So we get a breakdown to the downside, and I was thinking about selling here, but I was skeptical, being that we were having support here. I didn't like how, like, soon we'd get that bounce potentially, and we did. He thought we were going to go a little bit lower. His EMA is lower than mine. His is a 1 hour plot on a 5-minute. Mine is what is this, like the 200 moving average, right? So I sold below, expecting just a little bit, down to the downside, but we got to reverse up. We get this bull bar. I'm not getting scared out. We have this breakout to the downside, right? But we got this follow through bar. Like, I told myself, I'll get out above this, and we did. Okay, now we're forming a micro channel. Okay, this could be a reversal. I'm gonna buy here, just guarantee that I'm in this market, because I think that we are reversing, right? So I get down long here, and then I set a buy limit here. Like, this is like I think it was a 33%. Okay, it wasn't from there to there. It was from here to maybe here. Let's try one more time. Yeah. So I put a limit here, okay? I said, okay, so I'm gonna scale in down here. I'm gonna put my protective stop down here. Oh, my grandpa is playing Half-Life. So yeah, brought everything down low. Um, so let's take a look. Let's see if I can pull up the video. Okay, so let me turn down this. So you can see I'm down. I'm kind of scared after seeing this, but I'm leaving my protective stop the way it is. You get down here, we start bouncing up again, right? Is that about 33% of this whole retracement? I'm feeling good after that, but then it fails, right? And I'm like, shoot, okay. I'm kind of getting scared here. All right, I got filled there, right? Just watching it, and I'm feeling hella good after seeing that. I'm like, I knew buyers stepped in. Any bears that sold in here gonna want to get out. You know, the reason why I also felt comfortable leaving in my limit is because we had a strong breakout to the upside, and right here too, like, you know, I even sold down here, and so like if I was smarter on my trade, I would have scaled in right here and then broke even here. So we're gonna watch this go through. I decided to put my sell stop up higher once we started breaking up higher because, you know, I told myself, okay, if we get back down here again, then we're probably going to go down lower. Right? And I was really skeptical around these EMAs. And I was watching this 15-minute EMA, right? And also, technically, if we're below this breakout still, we're still in a bear trend. Okay, but being that we're still in this very large breakout, I felt comfortable, like, you know, buying here, expecting that we're going to reverse up a little bit, you know, larger trading range. So I'm feeling really good. I got scaled in on two buys here, right? 40% on two contracts. That's great. I sold one. We were hesitating up here, and this is that 66% retracement. I said, you know what? I'm going to pay myself. I'm going to leave a runner, but I'm going to put the stop really tight, right? So I moved it here, and I was like, well, like 60% on a contract, that is really good. And so I moved it to right below here, and then the price dipped down below. So I'm feeling pretty good, especially because, you know, like we're starting to get these bear bars again, you know, like I really thought, you know, the momentum might have slowed here, and it did. So yeah, that was my trading day. I am finally positive on the day, and I had great workouts yesterday. um yeah, I feel very confident because um yeah, I mean, like all the days that I've been red, I've been able to break even at least now, and I've been following to the rules in which, like, I um you know, established after you know, doing things incorrectly. I was, you know, being very emotional, raising my stop immediately and everything. Now I just let it ride. I'm gonna let things ride. I'm gonna let things get hit. You know, I feel like I'm developing this intuition. Like, for example, like, you know, I thought we were gonna reverse here. Was very cautious. We get this breakdown. It looks like an exhausted move. We get this reverse up. Okay, like this is a reverse up. Like, you know, that's strong enough to get bears to break even on a downside move. You know, we're hitting 50% and this 1 hour EMA. You know, so I think we're going to go all the way up here, really. You know, so maybe in the future, you know, let me see how like the day evolves today, and I will see, you know, whether if I should give myself, like, you know, that wide stop, allow myself to really let the moves ride, and then I can be really insanely profitable. So yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy. So I think I'm gonna end it there. I'm gonna make myself some breakfast. I'm gonna work out, and Probably study. I need to study. I haven't studied in a couple days, but up to 169 pages in the course, and I'm only like 20% through the whole course. It's taken me like 6 months so far, and just taking it really slow. But if I'm doing this well and I'm only that far through the course, like I guarantee, like in a couple months, I'm going to be consistently profitable. I am on a breakout mode for real. So shout out to all my friends if they're watching. And yeah, look at this. Starting to inch up higher. That's good. But cautious of the CMA. All right, so that's it. Love you guys. Anybody that's watching, take care. Brush your hair.